Hi, my name is Jira Apinyawan. I am a tutor and English teacher back in Nakhon Sawan, Thailand. So first of all, let me introduce you about my background and my school. Well, it's not really a school, it's an ESL school, English as a second language school that I opened. So I consider myself as an owner that I've been teaching English to students online and offline for 10 plus years, like 12 years. And I would say the way I used to teach my students is just the mixture, a little bit of everything. So I'm here today just to share my thoughts and my techniques, and hopefully it can be useful for everyone who listen or watch this video clips. And thank you very much for letting me participate in this program because I found it very useful. So the technique and everything that I use is just I try to listen to the students. As everyone else, we try to use the student-centered approach to teach our students. And especially for my school, we have a very small class from one-on-one student to up to 12 students per class. So I think it may be easier to listen and get closer to the student and listen to them what's been going on, what are their interests, and how can we adjust and adapt our uh, content so that the student can learn. So let me show you how I do it. So this is my school Facebook page. And normally I just try to keep myself updated with the current news or trends that the student they are well they pay attention to those topics. For example, like Tung Tung Sahura or Mr. Beast, or even the news about earthquake or the sport competition or something like that. And for example, for reading tests, I adapt from several news sources into my content like this. It is a reading test. So I want my student to learn about new vocabulary and as well as the grammar. So I search online. First I watched the news about they let the bear taste the honey. So the bear became a taster or something like that. So it's kind of the fun news that relationship between bear and human has been going on for ages. And from this news, I try to do more research and get all the information for my students. So like this, I just test their knowledge by using a little bit of grammar here and there and try not to repeat myself. Like if I let the student do all the error identification tests, it's going to be very boring for them. So I do the closed test, I do the fill in the blank, or even the open-ended question. So to let the student share their ideas or guess what's gonna happen next. And these days, this is not enough, of course. So I try to insert with the real video clips that I prepare ahead of time. Like this, why bear test honey. So which one the bear can choose? So student I will grab their attention at least for some students in the class and try to use other techniques at the same time. I also use the online test like, well, Wayground quizzes or Bluecat and other common uh, application that most teachers use nowadays. So I make a test on that platform as well. So after the student they finish learning with me on these tests, then I will let them watch the video clip. And after that, do the online test. And after the online test, student will have some knowledge that we can discuss and practice speaking skill with the entire class. And as I say, it's not too difficult for me because my class is rather small. It's not, the maximum is 12 students. So I think that's why I can grab the student attentions and they seem to be happy to study with me. And I try to make use of all the resources that I have. Like Facebook, I saw the news about the bullying issue. So I try to teach them more than just English language. I use like morale, technology, news from other country, or funny news. So the student will learn, and at the end of the day, when they go back home and talk to their parents, I think their parents, some of their parents, they are doctors or they are teacher as well. So they are happy that I teach them more than just the language. As being a teacher, we have to teach them many things. So that's why I think this is like it's not really a technique or the new innovation, but I just try to do multitasking at the same time so the student will get the best out of me each class. So that's what I want to share with you today. And hopefully some of you may find it helpful and can use it and apply it. You can go to my uh Facebook page uh and will check out my content. Many students or many teachers around in Thailand, they've been using my resources, and I think why not? We are teacher. We want to share our knowledge with the world. So you can go and see it for yourself, and hopefully it can be useful and helpful for everyone. Thank you.